loves me.
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito.
And the Lucha Camera here.
And today we got a special treat for you guys.
Very excited, people.
No one has seen this yet except for pictures and everything like that. So we're going to uncrate this, and it is the American Lifan KPM200. So, anyways, as you guys can see, it's straight up.
This
we
is
still got
awesome.
some plastic over it. We're going to go ahead,
it.
uncrate it, and get it unwrapped, and get back to you guys.
This should be exciting, people. We've been waiting a long time for this one.
Luch is really excited about this.
I really like this one, people. I took a sneak peek, and boy, I got all excited and giddy.
Compared to the little monkey bikes, Luch likes the way this thing looks in pictures so far. So
what's a monkey bike?
That's that little tiny, the little tiny bike like fans, like the flea.
The flea. I thought that was an insect bike.
But anyways, he likes this one as well.
This is a neat bike, people, and we'll show you just why it's so neat.
Yep. So anyways, without any further ado,
let's
get on with it.
Shall we? Don't wreck me.
Come on with it. Stop and listen to my rhymes, I spit it. Damn, roof is on fire cause I lit it up. And I don't ever stop. Y'all go fucking crazy when you hear the bass drop like a bomb. Y'all know that I'm the healer, the thriller, the urban young gorilla. When it comes to killing nothings, I'm MC killer. Busting the cap when I rap. Mr. No Bone, put Venice on the map. Let's get funky. I've been losing verses, 8-tray. Let's all just live for today. Cause I know there's gotta be a better way. Time to pray. I am that I am. I flow harder than a broken down dam. Let the beat slam and come on with it. Come on with it. Come on with it. If you want to believe in the beginning. Come on with it.
Yo, ask Jimmy C. I'm a sexy beast, people. Rock on, Jimmy. You're sexy. Back at you, baby. Isn't it beautiful, people?
The front wheels.
I really like the way this looks.
Yeah, the front wheel's already on it. It's just going to be the handlebars, the headlight.
You know what? This would look really great with some spokes on it.
Yeah,
instead of the mag wheels.
It still looks awesome no matter what, but it would really look cool with the spokes and kept with that retro look.
Really good looking bike.
I'm really impressed.
I like this, people. I like this.
Good looking bike.
Yes, it is.
So, anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to get the rest of it together and see if I can try and get Luch to take a ride or not.
What?
We'll see if we can try to get him a ride. So, what we got in the box?
I don't condone this, people.
What do we got in the box, Luch?
This is our complimentary Frenchie box from the Chinese people. And it comes with stuff like coolant, mirror.
The mirrors are really cool too. They're the ones that go out in the outer part of the bars.
It's come with battery, electrolyte. It's a full Frenchie box, people. Full Frenchie box. You have some covers, some little covers here for your exhaust. We'll put those on. Instruction manual, people. Owner's manual. Make sure you read it if you can. Okay? It's chock full of useful information.
Yep.
You almost caught me there, didn't you?
Yep. Don't forget to save the suit cover for recycle.
Yeah. Cardboard's recyclable, right?
Yep.
Recycle this crap. And of course, you got your tool pouch and your battery hold down and your handlebar holder.
Yep.
So there's your Frenchie box.
Yep. Now, with the KPM, or the KP Master, whichever you want to call it, I really think they've stepped up the notch a little bit.
This is a really cool looking bike.
Yeah, it's got a lot of features to it.
Does it make my carburetor look beautiful?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, it's got the old retro seat. It's got the retro buckle.
This is really neat.
Buckles and straps on there. The speedometer is on the tank. Here.
This is
And
neat.
We're going to get the headlight and everything on. I really like this bike. So anyways,
Here's the
without any
headlight.
further ado, let's get on with it.
Shall we? Okay, people. When putting on your headlight, it comes with these little clips here, people. And they have little slots on the headlight here that you slide the flat side up in like that and just give it a little push. And that is where the bolt goes through into the headlight to hold it from behind, people. So make sure you put those on first before you try and put the rest of the headlight on, people. You also have a couple of those on the side here, but those go on the bike. They're all supplied with the pouch, so make sure you put those on. It'll make your life a lot easier.
So with putting this together, it's just basically put on the handlebars, put on the mirrors, get the electrolytes into the battery,
To make it
get
strong
the
and healthy.
exhaust cover on, put the battery in,
Recycle.
gas in it, and go. So anyways, let's get the bars on, shall
I
we?
got some gas in it already.
Okay, so give me the handlebars, big guy.
Whoa, that's a blast from the past, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Wow.
So what we're going to do is we're actually going to speed this part up, and so you guys can see us getting the bars on and putting all the other parts on, and then we'll get right back to you guys.
Right on.
Then you start to hear the beats of telephone pound. I want everybody to get up and shout. 'Cause life's good and there's no doubt. I'm out, so come on with it. Come on with it. Ain't nothing wrong with this. Come on with it. If you want to be, gonna get it. Come on with it. Ain't nothing wrong with this.
You blowing in my ear?
Yes, sir.
Stop that.
We're back. As you've seen, we got the bars on. We did that in fast motion, and we got the muffler set up. We're just going to tighten everything up, pull the plastic off, get the battery in, get some gas in, and fire it up. So,
Is that what we're going to do?
Hey, what'd you do with the Allen head for this thing, buddy?
It's probably over here somewhere.
All right. There it is.
Now, once you get all the wiring stuffed in here, people, it's pretty straightforward. You just stick a couple screws in, tighten them down, and off you go. You see, you gotta pull a little panel off, people. A little panel here, and then you can take your battery. Hey, somebody stole your battery! And then you put your battery in there. So, make sure red goes to positive and black goes to negative. If you're not positive on where the negative is, make sure the negative doesn't go on the positive side.
Yeah, because it's not going to feel very good.
No, it'll be funny though.
Yeah. I really like this bike. I like the style of it.
It's got European styling. You know, I could see you with a European shoulder bag cruising down the streets of Paris with Mrs. Chip on the back.
Yeah. I don't see Mrs. Chip ever getting on the back of a motorcycle.
Gliding beautifully through France.
France.
I see London.
I see France. I just kicked you in the pants.
Hey!
Hi, Luch.
Hey, what's you doing at my level?
I think I need your Lucci grip here.
The Luch Fu grip?
Yes, sir. I got a good tight grip, but Luch being a mechanic.
What? I gotta unwrap my seat without seating my meat?
Yes, sir.
Without unseating my meat.
It's got a rubber band. Jeez, that's a rubber band. Look at that. Jeez. Look at this rubber band, Luch.
I don't wanna. Yeah, my eye! Oh, you shot my eye out! The hell? How am I gonna drive home? You can't say that. Ow! Ha ha!
Ow!
Way to go, Chip. You know, one time when I was out, I was attacked by a puma. Well, I got look at that. The puma killer's still sharp,
Yeah, very sharp.
even after gouging his tooth out.
Yeah.
Ah!
All right, so we're going to get some fuel into this real quick, and then we'll get it started. All right, so we'll get right back to you guys.
Look at this! Look at this! It's got a strap on the back.
Yeah. Oh, boy. There you see, we got the mirrors on, got the handlebars on.
We're gonna have to do something about those mirrors.
Yeah.
Those are some mirrors.
Yeah. It is really cool. So I'm going to let Luch get on it and start it up this time.
Me?
Yes, you.
Oh, me?
Yep.
Oh boy, I'm giddy. What do I do?
Get on it, start it.
Okay.
Here, I'll turn on the key.
Turn on
for
the
you.
key.
You
All
can-
right.
Oh,
Wow! Turn the key, hit the button, and off you go! Let's fill our garage with some fumes, shall we?
pretty good. Looks pretty darn good.
It feels pretty good too.
Yep.
One down, and so many up.
Yep. So let's shut it off
Oh, boo!
and let's take it for a ride.
Shall we?
It's a good looking bike, brah. Look at that thing. That's badass. Love it. Really is a good looking bike. It's a KPM200. First time you guys seen it on the roads out here. Say Luch Mob for me, will you?
Luch Mob.
I like that thing. Good looking. How do you like it? I guess we can try and do a little bit of race right here, huh? See if I can catch him. Which way you going, buddy? You count it. You count it.
Bucket.
Yeah, sorry, Bucket. All right, guys. So, you seen, we got Luch to ride the bike, actually. Now you can see. You liked it, huh? He's happy. You're happy, aren't you?
This thing's a kick in his heart.
Yeah, it's
I
really,
really like riding this thing.
it is really a nice bike. I finally actually got Luch to get on something and ride it around the
The
block.
styling, it's gorgeous. I love retro stuff. If you know anything about me, you know that I like retro stuff. So, this is really neat. Right along the retro line.
You know, overall, it's a good bike. They do have options, I guess, coming out of crash bars and stuff like that. So we'll have to see how that goes.
Do we want those?
You know, I think it would look kind of cool with the crash bars on it, but I think overall it looks cool. It's
I like it like this.
Yeah, it reminds me of an old school cafe racer. That's what it was supposed to be like. And you know, it's pretty darn close.
It looks
And-
good.
And I was surprised. Luch was pulling pretty good when he was riding the bike around the block. He did pretty good.
I did?
Yeah.
All right, there you have it.
Yeah. So overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this one an 8 or a 9.
I'd like a 9 on this one because just of the styling alone.
Yeah.
Because I just dig it.
Yeah.
And I'm sure you'll dig it too.
Yeah. I do like the KP200 better as far as the seat. It's
This is kind of a nut buster, people.
Yeah, the seat is a little wider on this, but it is comfortable. If you're, I think this is more of a sit upright going down the road, nice little cruiser. It has a little seat, the little strap there in the
So
back.
your hoodie can hold on to Chip while he's riding around.
Yeah. So you know, the mirrors. It's just overall in the headlight.
I don't like the mirrors.
Yeah, I like the mirrors.
I like the little bitty mirrors.
Yeah, you know, I have a set of mirrors like you guys saw on the KP200 that actually are down and they're a little bit smaller.
I like those mirrors.
You know, maybe something like that.
The rest of the bike is nothing but 2 thumbs up.
Yeah, definitely 2 thumbs up. I really like it. The headlight is really, really cool. I love the way it lights everything up. So anyways, guys, that's it for the KP200.
Awesome,
You guys
man.
saw it here first at Dorito.
And the Lucha Cabra.
And I'd like to thank you guys for watching. And we're going to have a whole bunch more stuff coming up. And don't forget that. I mean, we're going to be trying to do as many reviews of these newer bikes coming out as possible.
We
as
are?
well as some buggies. Oh, yeah.
You really want me down here, don't you?
this thing really got me amped. And
Amped.
yeah, got me really
Up
excited.
to 11?
Yeah, got me really excited.
Wow.
And I really like it a lot. And let me know what you guys think.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah. So, anyways, I'd like to thank you guys for watching Dorito,
And the Lunch Gallery.
and don't forget to come back. Thanks for watching.
Rock on!
Peace.
Ha ha! I was blocking you. Ha! You missed me. I took one on the hip that time. Ha ha! You missed me.
Peace.